Canceling a Cricket wireless line, the essentials. To safely remove or cancel a Cricket wireless line, understand that Cricket is a prepaid service with no long-term contracts, simplifying cancellations. Cricket is a prepaid service with no long-term contracts, simplifying cancellations. You can cancel via the My Cricket app website or by calling 1-800-CRICKET. Cancellations are effective immediately upon confirmation. Before canceling, back up all important data like contacts, photos, and messages. Also, ensure any outstanding balances are paid to avoid service interruptions. Keep in mind, the line number is typically released within 30 days post-cancellation, so transfer anything important before that. To cancel a Cricket wireless line, you have several options. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, log into your MyCricket account through the website or app. Navigate to Account Settings to begin the cancellation process. Once in Account Settings, select the specific line you want to cancel from your account. Then, confirm the deactivation to complete the process online. Alternatively, you can call Cricket Customer Service at 1-800-CRICKET and provide your account details to a representative to cancel your line. While early cancellation fees are rare due to Cricket's prepaid nature, be sure to check for any data overages or outstanding device payment balances that might apply. Any refunds for unused minutes or data will be processed and appear on your account within 1 to 2 billing cycles after cancellation. Watch out for phishing scams. Always ensure you're using the official Cricket Wireless website or app to avoid providing information to fraudulent sites. If you might need the line again soon, consider Cricket's pause option for temporary suspensions rather than a full deletion of the line. Finally, make sure to obtain and save the email confirmation of your cancellation for your records.